Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I did this custom order for a client. I'm not going to really talk too much in this video, but I did want to come on here and explain some things. This set took a lot of thinking and planning. The client I was working with had sent me 2 inspo pics and they wanted to take ideas from both pictures, so I had to essentially come up with one idea out of 2. And also there was a theme. The theme was Death to Barbie, so they wanted it to look a specific way. I think I did a pretty good job at executing their idea. You guys can be the judge of that. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I like this video if you find it entertaining or helpful. That being said, some of the clips in this video just cut off to the next scene because I was so wrapped up in trying to perfect and trying to figure out the placement of the gems. I do apologize in advance. Nonetheless, I do hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.